Welcome to YouTube channel Lingaradi Chemistry J Unit. Carboxylic acid. In the subtopic is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid structure is this one: benzene ring and COOH group. Here the first preparations we are discussing now. Preparations of benzoic acid. We are taking benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Already it is aldehyde. So aldehyde to carboxylic acid is very easy to oxidize. So even mild oxidizing agent like toluenes, scapes, and you take any oxidizing agent like KMnO4, K2Cr2O7. Okay, these all oxidizing agents. Aldehyde converting into carboxylic acid by these oxidizing agents. Many are there. Then toluene. The toluene, benzene attached methyl group, benzene attached carbon, we can say carbon or methyl group. This carbon is oxidizing into carboxylic acid. The condition is here at least one hydrogen should be present. This carbon, at least one hydrogen should be present. Remaining whatever, either it may be alkyl groups, okay, but at least one hydrogen should be present. In that case, these are converting into carboxylic acid by stronger oxidizing agent. Acidic medium में KMnO4. KMnO4 is oxidizing agent. In the presence of acidic medium, it is stronger oxidizing agent. In the basic medium, weaker oxidizing agent. Okay, so if you are taking in the acidic medium, it will convert, this methyl group can convert into COOH. Condition क्या था? At least one hydrogen should be present. Next, cyanide. Cyanide में pH C triple bond N. We are doing hydrolysis. HOH, one pi bond cleavage. Next, one more pi bond HOH. Then partial hydrolysis it is called. On same carbon, two OH groups, unstable, one water molecule removing, then NH2. This is amide. Again further hydrolysis, HOH, it is giving carboxylic acid. So from cyanide also, by hydrolysis, benzoic acid forming. Not only cyanide, all acid derivatives by hydrolysis. You can see here carbonyl compound, this acid chloride, COCl, even ester, okay, even amide is not given, even amide also, CH3, this amide also by hydrolysis. Total how many reactions by hydrolysis? Cyanide 1, amide 2, acid chloride 3, ester 4, and anhydride also is there. Anhydride 5, anhydride, acid anhydride. This is the acid anhydride formula I am writing here. These all are by hydrolysis is giving benzoic acid. Total 5 reactions. Okay. So conclusion is 5 hydrolysis reactions is giving benzoic acid, aldehyde and toluene by oxidation is giving 5 plus 2, total 7 हो गया. Then this hydrolysis over. Now CCl3, when CCl3 is there, what is the functioning of aqueous KOH? Aqueous KOH functioning is CX is converting into COH. That means halogen is replaced by OH in the presence of aqueous KOH. So here 3 chlorines are there. So 3 chlorines replaced by 3 OH groups. So here 2 OH groups unstable, removing one water molecule. That means C double bond O, OH, carboxylic acid. This one also done. Then Grignard reagent. Then this Grignard reagent RMGX, RMGBr, RMGX is reacting with C double bond O, C double bond O, carboxylic carbon dioxide. Already we discussed in the aliphatic compounds. Again, once we can discuss here. Now, next RCO minus MgBr plus here C double bond O. Next, by the hydrolysis, it is giving RC double bond OOH. Okay, this OMgBr is converting into OH by the hydrolysis. Here H, here OH. Okay, so Grignard reagent over. Then zinc. Zinc में क्या होता है? Phenol. From phenol to benzene we can prepare actually. Phenol to it is giving benzene. वो ऑक्सीजन को निकालते हैं. Phenol to benzene. This oxygen is removed by this zinc. So zinc oxide is forming. So already we are taking benzoic acid. Extra phenyl is there. Extra OH group. This O is removed by zinc. So benzoic acid is forming. So these are the preparations. Next, chemical properties of benzoic acid. Chemical properties of benzoic acid. This is the benzoic acid here. This hydrogen is releasing as H plus. So it is acid reaction with base and forming salt. Okay, sodium benzoate is forming. Sodium benzoate. What is the byproduct? Byproduct ये होगा sodium either means OH minus and H plus, that is forming water molecule. Okay, next sodium bicarbonate. In the sodium bicarbonate it is same salt because it is also base. Acid plus base is forming salt and water molecule. This is a common. So here extra product is carbon dioxide is forming gas. Carbon dioxide gas, it is very important. This is also used for distinguish test. Distinguish test. किसका distinguish? Phenol and carboxylic acid. Phenol and benzoic acid or carboxylic acid distinguish test we will use because actually both are acids. Litmus test say we cannot do this. So sodium bicarbonate is reacting with benzoic acid and producing carbon dioxide gas, but phenol cannot react. Phenol cannot react. Okay. Now one more important thing is this carbon dioxide is releasing this carbon from where? This carbon is from sodium bicarbonate. This carbonate. Okay. So that is also asked in the last NEET exam. Okay. It may ask again in the JEE mains also. These points are very important points. The carbon dioxide releasing from carbonate, not from the carboxylic acid. Next, this carboxylic acid and alcohol. Acid plus alcohol in the acidic medium, we know that it is forming ester. It is forming ester. Okay. And again here also important thing is I am taking here alcohol. Suppose C2H5OH I am taking alcohol. So which oxygen is here? So just you go through like this, H and OH. This H2O is releasing. So here also they may ask that I am keeping here star oxygen. This star oxygen where it is? In the water molecule, the byproduct is water. In the water molecule is there or in the ester is there? Of course it is there in the ester. It is there in the ester, the star. That means ethyl alcohol oxygen is in the ester. The water molecule में oxygen है, वो oxygen आ गया from carboxylic acid. Okay, this is very important. Which is releasing. Next, PCl. Next, reaction with PCl5 SOCl2. Okay, then this functioning is PCl5 and SOCl2 just removing this OH group and substituting the chlorine. The same functioning in case of alcohol also. In case of alcohol also, COH, it becomes RCCl. Okay, alcohol to haloalkanes we prepared. The functioning, that's why the reagent functioning is important. If you know the reagent functioning, maximum the chemistry you can write any equations. In chemistry you can write maximum equations. So the reagent functioning you have to know. The PCl5, the functioning is OH is replaced by chlorine. SOCl2 also same. Here the byproduct is POCl3. Okay, two chlorines are removed from this PCl5. Why two chlorines are removed? If you know the PCl5 structure, this is the PCl5 structure. Okay, trigonal bipyramidal. These two chlorines are away from the fluorine, away from the phosphorus, so easily it can break up. So hydrolysis takes place. So these chlorines are replaced by OH and OH. Okay, so two OH groups are unstable. So P double bond O. Remaining three chlorines are as it is. So POCl3 is the byproduct. So two chlorines are participated here. One chlorine is going with HCl as HCl. The other chlorine is as a acid chloride, benzoyl chloride. Okay. Next SOCl2. SOCl2 also same. So I am taking here SOCl2. This hydrogen and chlorine is removing as HCl. This SO and oxygen is releasing as SO2. This chlorine is substituting here. Actually एक रिंग जैसा फॉर्मेशन होता है इधर मैकेनिज्म में. So final conclusion is one chlorine is substituted in the place of OH. Okay, so OH is releasing. The byproducts are HCl and SO2. So byproducts are not much important here. So this PCl5 SOCl2 का functioning, what is the functioning? OH is replaced by chlorine. Even PCl3 also same thing. Then next P2O5. P2O5 is the unhydrating agent. Unhydrating agent. So from carboxylic acid it is forming anhydride. Anhydride is forming. So anhydride ka, that means what? H2O is removing. H2O is removing from the carboxylic acid. Next soda lime. What is the soda lime composition? Soda lime composition NaOH plus calcium oxide. Soda lime. What is the functioning of the soda lime? It is removing the carbon dioxide from the carboxylates. Okay, just it is removing this carbon dioxide, COO. Carbon dioxide is releasing. So you are getting benzene. Next hydrozoic acid. N3H. This N3H, hydrozoic acid, carboxylates or carboxylic acid react with the hydrozoic acid giving primary amines. You can see in the last video. Okay, we discussed acetic acid, how it gives primary amines with hydrozoic acid. Then next Hunsdicker reaction. This Hunsdicker reaction is aromatic silver carboxylate. Even aliphatic and aromatic both are giving this test. This silver carboxylate reaction with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. Giving haloarenes. Aliphatic है तो RX. Okay, here aromatic है haloarenes. Okay, next lithium aluminum hydride. Is a strong reducing agent. So almost all functional groups converting into alcohols. See here, this COOH is converting into CH2OH. Okay, benzyl alcohol. It's not phenol, it's a benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol, common name. Next, reaction with NH3. Then amide is forming. Reaction with NH3. See here, benzoic acid. Just you have to remove the water molecule here, OH, and from this one hydrogen you remove. It's forming benzamide. Okay, and calcium salts. Calcium salt means here calcium carboxylate. Calcium carboxylate. This is the calcium carboxylate. By heating, it is forming calcium carbonate. First of all, calcium carbonate. This is the calcium carbonate is forming. Then this phenyl and this phenyl with carbonyl is forming. This is the one particle, the other one is this one. Okay, so finally benzophenone is forming. Benzophenone, ketone. Two benzene rings are there between C double bond. टू बेंजीन रिंग के बीच में C डबल बॉन्ड हो, कीटोन. देन रिडक्शन सोडियम अमाइल अल्कोहल ये स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है. सोडियम अमाइल अल्कोहल जनरली लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड इट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू अल्कोहल, इट्स ओके. बेंजीन रिंग को कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं था, लेकिन सोडियम अमाइल अल्कोहल में सोडियम इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्गर, more electropositive element, we know that. Okay, it is reducing this benzene ring also. Okay, then concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4, इसमें क्या होता है, electrophile is generating, so electrophilic substitution reaction. So carboxylic acid is ring deactivating group, that's why it's a meta directing group. Meta position में NO2 group is attacking. Then fuming H2SO4, here also electrophilic. In the benzoic acid, all substitution reaction takes place at meta position, क्योंकि it is a meta directing group. So sulfonic acid, okay, then while you are reacting with the chlorine also electrophile reacting with benzene at meta position. You can see in the class 11th today class hydrocarbons, aromatic hydrocarbon chapter, we discussed there Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation, okay, and when it will takes place ortho position and when it will attack on the meta position. Ring deactivating group, ring activating groups we discussed. Okay, then neutral FeCl3 test is giving buff color precipitation. It is used for functional group test. In the lab we are doing. In the class 12th we will use the functional group test. This is the neutral FeCl3 test is used to confirm the functional group, carboxylic acid functional group. Okay, it is giving buff color precipitation. Thank you.